it's roughly around 32 to 34 because the truck is built for street battling.
Yeah.
So it's the overall sound, bass, mids, highs, and tweets and everything.
Got it. Awesome. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. That was a great demo. Appreciate it. They got low too. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Is there a way you can tell me what's in here real quick with this open? Go ahead, man.
It's supposed to be 4 American-based Godfathers.
Okay.
On there's a VFL 20K back here. I think it's at a half ohm.
Right here?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So this side is battery or?
Well, I have a battery behind there, a DS18 80 amp hour.
Okay.
But I'm going to switch it out pretty soon to 135 amp hour lithium, charging at 15.7.
Awesome. And what is this tuned to?
I think it's roughly around 32 to 34 because the truck is built for street battling.
Yeah.
So it's the overall sound, bass, mids, highs, and tweets and everything.
Got it. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around of his system. This was at the Team Deadly Hertz show in Virginia in 2021. Looking forward to showing you all a 2-song demo. So he wasn't expected to be on YouTube, but he got to meet with me at the show, and here we are. We're watching the video, and we're going to show you. Did have some pretty good shots of him playing down and probably to the teen frequencies on these demos he's going to give us. So if you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like. Did a really good job showcasing it at the show. I like the layout of everything. I couldn't see the big 20,000 watt amplifier he has to the left of he was talking about because it is hidden, and he still had some upgrades he was working on. So if you notice, he has his amplifiers mounted on the left and right side of his box, subs up, port back. That's a more of an optimal style system I've noticed a lot of SUVs are doing. Subs up, port back, and then mounting the amplifier somewhere outside of on the box for vibration issues. So anyway, I'm going to get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy. Once again, I promise I really wanna live. I just wanna hug and a can for my girl, but she ready.
I wanna look at you, but that ain't my intentions. I've been trying to soak you up, maybe learn something. I said I would never chase, but you keep on running. You know all my exes, you think I still do. I just had to change my number, but I'll never lose. I've been through this car, just ain't the same without you here next to me. All I wanna do is ride slow, ride slow, ride slow. Once again, I prove cause I really wanna live. I just wanna hug and a kiss from my girl, but she mad that my bed fit. And deep when I'm in it, in a minute, cause I'm out of my friends done drifted, far from each other, who me like just wished it. We can try go back until I just for a minute, when it becomes so distant. It's been sunny outside and I'm hot in the bush in the rain. When the beats in the net, the pain and the wish. It's me the way in the dead. Wishing while I'm walking on this
You're good? Appreciate it, man. Thank you for the demo. Awesome. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. That was a great demo. Appreciate it. They got low, too. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.